Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to today's video. And if you see markets again moving up, as I had said that if you open with a gap up, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. If the market comes down till yesterday's closing price and then starts to make positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over there. And if you see markets opened with a gap up, came down a little bit, and then just look at that rally. We hit our target of 50,200 also very easily over here. So yes, pretty good. In Nifty, however, if you see targets of 23,400 were achieved, but yes, after that we didn't really get any bigger target in Nifty. After that, if you see Nifty just saw profit booking and in the end closed at lower levels. But one thing which is very interesting is that the CPI data that came today was actually good for the markets, and that's why if you see S&P 500, Nasdaq and Dow Jones, all of these guys are looking bullish over here because I have opened with a gap up and are looking bullish. So what you can do over here is that now we also have the Jerome Powell speech in just a few hours, so the fun is still not over. There is still a lot of things can definitely change over here. So what you guys can do tomorrow is going to be very simple. First of all, we'll wait for how the US market slows. If Jerome Powell also comes and says something pretty good which is in favor of the markets, then we will stay bullish for tomorrow. Why? Because if you see markets have closed negative over here, that means a lot of sellers who would have sold in this down move over here and in Nifty also will be trapped, because a lot of people would have sold thinking that made short positions in the market thinking that the market has closed near day low and this is bearish. So what you guys can do, one more thing before that, is that if you see pros have made more long positions today, if you see, and clients have gone down in their long positions. So that means clients are now getting bearish and FIs and pros are now getting bullish slowly. FIs are still a bit bearish, but pros, if you see, have come into long positions now. How? If you see, pros have definitely been decreasing their future longs over here, but the quantity is not that big. If you see just 4,000 quantity that has been reduced, but if we see huge quantity in call also, if we see over here 1,58,000 call contracts they've taken long today, that means they've basically exited their call shorts. They've also exited their put shorts over here, if you see, but still a very good amount of call short covering that we've seen from pros today. And on the other hand, if you see, FIs have also taken long in calls and long in puts also. So definitely it looks like pros and FIs both are trying to slowly come into bullish positions and client is slowly going into bearish positions, because every day if you see, FIs are covering their short positions, client is covering their long positions, if you see. So definitely a very interesting data point, and tomorrow could be the day where pros aggressively start creating long positions, because one of the major events which was going to drive the market in a single direction has been done. So tomorrow is the day where we could see a lot of long positions being made by pros in the market. So what you guys can do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now 50,000 is going to be the important level to watch out for. If we open above 50,000, which most certainly looks like it, even if the US markets close at this levels, chances are we will open with a gap up above 50,000. Then we need to watch out for two things, which is, if we are sustaining above 50,000 only and starting to make positive price action, then we go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. First target you can keep small till 50,000, 240 to 230, but after that you can also keep 50,500 on the upside without any problem, because now if the market breaks out from this level, if you see, it will be a very good breakout from consolidation and chances are market will go up till 50,500 also without any problems over here. So tomorrow, very simple, above 50,000, as soon as you know, if we are sustaining above 50,000, then we'll go ahead and take bullish trade. However, if we are taking support from 49,900, which is today's closing price, even then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade from here. There is no problem in that. So yes, definitely, even if we are taking support from 49,900, we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade only, no problem in that. Now, one thing that can happen tomorrow is that we might see a little bit of market trapping all the buyers after breaking out above 50,200. So market might go up above 5,200, come back come back down, and then two things can happen. Either the market comes back down in this range again, in which case you will need to square off your positions, or market might go up, come back below 50,200, so that everyone starts to think that it is a breakout failure, and then start to move from here till 50,500. So keep this in mind. Do not try to take long positions at higher levels near 50,200, because there might be a little bit of you can say volatility at that level, right? Now that is if you open with a gap up. If we open with a very big gap up, let's say somewhere near 50,200 or above that, even then we will wait for one pullback in the market, which will take us till 50,000. And then we will go ahead and take a bullish trade from there. Even 50,100 is fine. If we open with a gap up above 50,200, then 50,100 to 50,000 can be your support. You don't need to wait for 49,900 on the downside. Or at lower levels, if we see 49,600, again a very good support for the market. So until and unless that breaks, we cannot really do anything. So only if 49,600 is breaking and we are seeing negative price action being made in the market below that level, that is when only we will go ahead and take a bearish trade in the market, which will give us a target of 49,200 to 49,000 on the downside. Because now if the market goes down, chances are market will definitely give you a very good sell off, which will take you to 49,200 to 49,000, after which we might again see market taking support from this zone and starting to move or consolidating. Say I had said that tomorrow if we close today at day low, it will be hard for the markets to move up. But actually the thing is, if we see, I was expecting the day and the market to close at day low somewhere near this level, if it would be hard for the markets. So still markets are in a bullish zone, and still the markets can continue this rally, because the markets have closed at higher levels. If you see, markets have closed at higher levels, so still we have a chance that market might continue this rally on the upside. Talking about Nifty, for Nifty, the level which needs to be watched out is 23,380. Above that level, as the higher we wait above that level, the more chances are of a short covering, which will take us till 23,480 to 490. So about 23,380, if you see market making positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here till the target of 23,480 to 490. That will be your easy target. You can book some profit near 440, which is basically today's high. But yes, targets of 480 to 500 easily opening after 23,380 is crossed. At lower levels, we will not sell until unless we get proper confirmation below 23,240, 260 to 240. If the market takes support from this zone and again starts to move, we can't really do anything. But if the market breaks this zone, goes below 240 and starts showing negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade over there. Your small target will be 23,160 first of all, and then if 23,160 is broken, then you can also keep a target of 23,040 on the downside, 23,050 on the downside easily. So yeah guys, that was it for today. And if again, one more thing is that if we open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 23,250, 200, all these levels, we'll wait for one pullback in the market again near the level of 23,260 to 240. In the zone, if we start seeing market making negative price action, we'll go ahead and take a short position from there. And for Bank Nifty, if we open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 49,600, 500, all these levels, we'll wait for one pullback till the area of 49,700 to 750. In this area, if we see market making negative price action, we'll go ahead and take a short position from there. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.